Hello everyone, I just wanted to go ahead and share with you my new project that I had done a little while ago, but I thought why not go ahead and share it. This is iron table cabinet. Um, when you open the door, you see this table in there. Doesn't need no legs, no feet, because there's a specific way to make it. With this spout in the bottom, you can see it's standing on it, no worries, and it's sturdy. So you can see, like, how it's really nice, sturdy over here. And I put one shelf in there so we can put our stuff in there. You can go ahead and pull it up, it'll go in. How it's done is that this piece right here is the spout that becomes a leg at the end when you bring it down, and there's a groove in there where I had to put a rod that goes this way, and there's a groove in here which rod extends almost a ½ inch and goes in through that groove and runs up and down like this. That makes whole table work. And I had this place because it's out of the way when you walk out and in your bedroom to bathroom, and also it's to the side. It's on one side. No worries of getting in between anything. The only problem I had to work with these switches, I cut the big half round so I can access both switches, so I had no problem with them. And it looks really nice. Install a big molding on the top to make a header. That big molding goes with the length of the whole project. It looks like it's really tall, so that way the big molding looks really nice on the top. Well, let me know if you need any info. Thank you.